Good morning, students. Prayers for your and your family members' safety and health. Hope you're all safe and fine. This video lesson is in the form of a quiz. All the questions asked in this quiz are based on chapter number 1 of class 10 social science. The name of the chapter is Heritage of India. I hope you have seen my first video lecture and also gone through chapter number 1. In this quiz, I am going to take you on a tour to different places of India. I am also going to show you things related to India. The places and the things are a part of our heritage. So, are you ready for the quiz? Before we start with the quiz, few instructions. I want you to write down the answers in your social science notebook, and for each answer, write 3 to 4 sentences related to the place asked or to the thing shown in the picture. Now, for the quiz. Here is the first picture. The picture in the background shows a very famous mountain range. This mountain range is there in the northern part of India. There are many culturally and religiously important places in this mountain range. I think that is an easy answer. The next place. This stone inscription you will find in Junagadh. It dates back to the 3rd century. It was made during the rule of Emperor Ashoka, the Mauryan king. The stone inscription has helped in decoding our ancient history. It was made after the Battle of Kalinga, when there was a change in the heart of Emperor Ashoka. He wanted to spread the message of peace in the world because he found the bloodshed and war futile. This image is that of a temple which is located in the north part of Gujarat. This temple was built in the 11th century when King Bhimdev, the Solanki king, was ruling. This place was declared as the World Heritage Site in the year 2014. There is a stepped water tank in front of this temple. Every year, a very famous dance festival is organized here. The next image is that of one more temple in the state of Orissa. This temple was built during the rule of Narasimha-deva I of Ganga dynasty. This temple was built in the 13th century. This temple is in the form of a chariot. This also is a World Heritage Site. Some Europeans call this temple as Black Pagoda. Now let me take you to a fair. This fair is organized every year in Gujarat. There is a chapter in class 8 English book related to this fair. The speciality of this fair embroidered umbrella. One more specialty of this fair is that unmarried tribal girls and boys find their life partner here. The next question. This image shows a very famous temple. This temple is located in the Garhwal Himalayas. One more hint. Late Sushant Singh Rajput's movie was shot here. This temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlings. This temple is close to river Mandakini. Now let me take you to the cultural city of Gujarat. Here you will find a royal palace. Presently, the royal family of Gaikwads reside in this palace. It is a beautiful architectural marvel built in Indo-Sasanic style. Last year on the International Yoga Day, 108 Surya Namaskars were performed in the campus of this palace. Now let me take you to the neighboring state of Gujarat, Maharashtra. In the Sahyadri mountain range, you will find ancient caves here. The caves date back to 2nd century. This also is a World Heritage Site. The walls of these caves are adorned with beautiful murals. Now let me take you to an excavation site. This excavation site is related to the Indus Valley civilization. This excavation site is found in Gujarat. According to the Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, this site is the oldest dockyard of Indus Valley civilization. This place had trade relations with West Asia and Africa. This place is the southernmost city of Indus Valley civilization. Looking at this picture, you have to identify a fair organized at this place. This place is located in the northern part of Gujarat. Every year, a fair is organized in the sacred month of Rajab according to the Islamic calendar. Could you identify the name of the fair here? Now, let me take you to the Manchester of India. Every year, an international level festival is organized in the city. You have to identify the name of the festival. Every year, kite makers from different parts of the world come and show their unique creations. This festival is organized during the Makar Sankranti time. Next is the image of a festival. You don't have to identify the personality seen here. He is Amitabh Bachchan, the mega star, and he is the brand ambassador of Gujarat tourism. Identify the festival and the place where it is organized. This place has the white desert. This place becomes very vibrant and colorful when the festival is organized. Otherwise, this is a barren land. Next is the image of a herb. This herb is widely used in the Ayurvedic treatment. It is a sure and short remedy for cough, bronchitis and asthma. Could you identify the herb? Next is the image of the national emblem of our country. This became the national emblem on 26th of January 1950 when our country became republic. You have to identify the source of this image. The words Satyamev Jayate is written at the bottom of this emblem. There are 4 Asiatic lions facing 4 directions. Identify the source of this national emblem. You can see an animal here. You have to identify this animal and not the 2 birds sitting on the animal. This animal you will find in the eastern part of India. A special national park is designed for the protection and preservation of this animal. The speciality of this animal is a single horn placed on the snout of the animal. Could you identify the animal? Those were the 15 questions, and I want you to answer them in your social science notebook and also write 3 to 4 sentences for each of the answers. I hope the task is very easy and you will enjoy writing. That was all for today. Peace be with you. Thank you very much.